Now, in this video clip, we will talk about how to identify if a function is even, odd, or neither just by the algebraic expression. We know if function is even, we need to have is f of negative x equals the original function f of x. F of x is right here. So basically, to identify if a function is even or odd, we need to calculate f of negative x first. If it ends up with f of negative x equals negative f of x, then this one will tell us the function is odd. This one will tell us the function is even. So let's start with calculating f of negative x. We are given again f of negative x is this much. Then all the place needs to be replaced with negative x. And here, so is this place. Now, negative x to the fourth, that's negative x multiplied by itself 4 times. Then we shall have a what? Positive. Here, this one. Let me change the color to red. Then this one will be positive x to the fourth. Still, this one is negative, but we are working on this one. Negative x times itself once. So we have this. By looking at the big quantity here, you know that's identical to the one right here. So then we can conclude f of negative x equals f of x. They are the same. Of course, if you end up with the negative sign in front of it, if here there were a negative sign, you can put right here, then it's going to be odd. But again, here, there is not. So then we end up with f of x and f of negative x are the same. So the function will be even. This tells us that this function is even. Okay? So you just do this in an algebraic way. You are done, actually. In this case, you are done. But let's say more. Here you can see we input this function into the Desmos. Then this is the picture. The graph is symmetric with respect to y-axis. Again, one part on the right-hand side of y-axis is the mirror image of the other part. You may do more is, you see this point looks like 1, -5. And this point looks like -1, -5. You may go down a little bit. Okay. If you want to do exactly, again, you may input here parentheses, and then here is -1, comma, and then you may input f -1 here. And then you see the point already shows up. Okay. You may also try is 1, and then f1. You see, basically here it tells us is what? Is f of -1 equals f of 1. Actually, this is true for all the values. F of 2 equals f of -2. So you see, we did things in general, but you can test a concrete number. Okay? Okay. Next time, I will do these 2 questions to keep our video clip short. Okay, I'll see you next time.